Hi everybody! In this 5th lesson, we will learn how to use the autofill function and how to display the currency symbol while making calculation. And finally, how to insert and to delete columns and rows. Look at the following example. We can see that the table is formed of 4 columns. Product name, quantity, unit price, and total price. Let us proceed in calculating the total price for the first row in the table. Write in the cell E3 equal C3 multiplied by D3. Examine the result. Now the question is, for the remaining rows of the table, should I write manually the same formula many times? Or is there another technique to simplify the task? The answer is, of course, yes. The autofill technique allows us to apply the same formula automatically for the remaining row. Look how after selecting the cell E3, I click and hold on the right bottom corner of the cell and I drag towards the last row. Once I release the mouse, I can see that the formula is applied to the different cells. One more problem that I have to solve. You can notice that the currency symbol does not exist for the column unit price and total price. I will try to edit the content of the cell D3 by adding the symbol $ to the unit price. After hitting the Enter key, I notice that an error is displayed in the cell E3. This is normal due to the fact that the content of the cell D3 is not numeric anymore, since it contains the symbol $, which is an alphanumerical character. How to solve this problem? It is an easy process. First, let us delete the symbol $. Select the cell D3 to D10. Then, from the drop-down list Format Number, choose Currency. See how the $ symbol is displayed while keeping the result of the total price correct. If you want to apply the currency to the total price column, select the cells E3 to E10 and apply again the Format Number currency as shown. Another manipulation to explore in this lesson is how to insert and delete columns and rows. So imagine you added a new column to the left and you numbered the rows sequentially. Later on, you decided to insert a new row between row 4 and 5. In order to do that, select the row 5 and then click on Insert Sheet Rows. Same rules applies to the columns. If you want to insert a new column between columns D and E, select column E and execute the command Insert Sheet Columns. In order to delete a column or a row, select it and click on Delete and choose between row or column. At the end of this lesson, you are asked to create the following table. You can download it by clicking on the More button. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram in order to access to additional educational resources.